Hi, fourth graders. So this week in social studies, we are going to dive a little bit deeper into the other two branches we have. So we covered the executive branch last week. We're going to focus on the legislative branch. And then later in the week, we're going to look at the judicial branch. So today's lesson is all about the legislative branch. So their responsibilities are to pass our country's laws. They vote on different laws, and then those laws get sent to the president, and he can either approve them or he can veto them. They also pass our country's budget, which means that they split up where all of that money goes. So different departments, different states, and they also have the power to declare war. And remember, the legislative branch is made up of two houses, the House of Representatives and the Congress. So in the House of Representatives, there are 435 members, and every state has a certain number based on how many people live there, so based on the population. So states that have a lot of people, like California, Texas, those states have more representatives than those smaller countries like Rhode Island or Connecticut. And representatives must be at least 25, and they serve for 2-year terms. The Senate has 100 senators, and there are 2 per state. Doesn't matter how big the state is, how many people are there, every single state has 2 senators. And senators must be 30, and they serve for 6 years. So why are there 2 houses of Congress? So remember, our federal government uses checks and balances. This means that they split up powers, they split up responsibilities so that not one person or not one group has too much power. And we also vote for them. We fought for representation in the Revolutionary War. We did not like being under British law because they didn't let us vote. They didn't let us have a say in government. So now we get to vote for these officials who get to vote on laws and who get to have a big say in what happens in our government. And we vote for those people. All right, thought there was more. Okay, let's go over those questions real quick. This was a pretty short lesson, just introducing you to the branch. Please use these slides, guys. There's only 6, and every single question can be found in these slides. So number 1, what is the main responsibility of the legislative branch? So what are they responsible for? What is their job? Number 2, how many houses are in the legislative branch? So how many different parts are there within that branch? 3, true or false, the legislative branch has the power to declare war. Number 4, what is a budget? Number 5, how many people make up the House of Representatives? Number 6, how many representatives does each state get? Number 7, how many senators are there? 8, which serves for 6 years when elected? Is it the representatives, the senators, or both? And then number 9, which is voted by the public? All right, that's all I've got for you guys today. Please make sure you go back into that slideshow, get on Zoom, comment on Google Classroom, and we are here to help you. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, Adams.